Pony.
Once upon a time, kids, Felfool the rabbit and Bobo the teddy bear were playing a lot in their room. Until the room was full of toys everywhere. Wow! Look, Bobo! Toys are everywhere. The car is under the pillow, and the ball is on top of the cupboard. Don't worry, let's just leave them and sleep. Sleep? No way! Mom said we have to clean the room after playing. Ah, man, cleaning is so tiring. What if we make it a game? Everyone picks up their toys as fast as they can. Whoever finishes first wins. Ooh, a cleaning race? I'm in. They start picking up toys in a funny way, slipping, laughing, getting mixed up. Oof, I'm tired, but I'll keep going. The important thing is we keep going. After a while, ta-da! I'm done! Me too! The room looks amazing. They looked around the room, clean, neat, and beautiful. See? Cleaning can actually be fun. Yes, really, even better than sleeping. The best thing is, we clean our toys after playing, so our room stays pretty and tidy. Sammy the Brave Squirrel. Can you imagine a squirrel who was afraid of everything until he became a hero? In a beautiful green forest full of trees and lovely birds, there was a little squirrel named Sammy. He was very kind, but he was always afraid of the sound of the wind, the shadows of the trees, and even the frogs at night. One day, the animals gathered together. They were playing and having fun. The rabbit said excitedly, "Hey, how about we go play by the lake? It's really nice there." All the animals were happy, but the fox said, "But we have to pass under the big cave." The animals said, "No problem, we'll go together." Except Sammy. He stood aside and said softly, I can't go. That cave is scary." The wise owl, Bosie, came closer and said, "Sammy, being brave doesn't mean you are not afraid." Sammy asked, "What does it mean?" The owl said, "Being brave means doing the right thing even if you are scared." Sammy stayed quiet. His heart was beating fast. He thought for a moment, then said, "Okay, I'll try." The animals cheered, "Bravo, Sammy!" As they walked, Sammy's heart was beating fast. Every sound scared him, the wind, the trees. When they reached the cave, it was big and very dark. Some animals said, "I'm scared," and others stayed silent. Sammy thought, should I go forward or go back? Suddenly, they heard a small voice. "Help me!" They all looked at each other. The sound is coming from inside the cave. They found a little bird inside. It had fallen and couldn't fly. The rabbit said, "I'm scared to go in." The fox said, "It's too dark." Sammy's heart was racing. He was scared. But then he remembered the wise owl's words. Being brave is doing the right thing even if you are scared. Suddenly, Sammy ran forward and said, "Wait, we have to help him." He entered the cave. With every step, he encouraged himself. "I can do this. I am brave." Until he reached the little bird. He said kindly, "Don't be scared. I'm here with you." He gently carried the bird and brought it safely outside. All the animals clapped and cheered. "Sammy did it!" Bosie the owl said, "Bravo, Sammy! You are truly brave." Sammy smiled and said, "I was scared, but I did the right thing." From that day on, Sammy wasn't afraid like before, because he learned that true bravery is doing good even when your heart feels a little scared. Moral: always be brave and do the right thing, even when you feel afraid. Yellow.
تابعونا عشان كل أسبوع في جديد.